Hi, my name is Andika. This time I will share a tutorial on how to make milk soursop juice. The following are the steps for making it. Prepare tools and ingredients. The tools namely plate, blender and glass. And the ingredients namely 1 medium ripe soursop, white sweetened condensed milk, sufficient sugar, sufficient mineral water, and to taste ice cube. Next, we go to how to make it. First, peel the soursop fruit. Remove the seeds. Take the meat, set aside. Second, add the soursop meat to the blender. Add the thick and sweet white sugar, water. Then pour or blend. Third, then pour the blender into a serving glass. Add ice cubes. And the last soursop juice drink is ready to be enjoyed and drunk.
Hello, my name is Komang Putra. This time I will give a tutorial how to make fruit ice easily. The name of the tool is bowl, knife, cutting board. The name of the ingredient is red or yellow watermelon, 100 gram dessert. The name of the ingredient is pineapple, 100 gram, chopped into cubes. The name of the ingredient is melon, 100 gram dessert. The name of the ingredient is papaya, 100 gram dessert. The name of the ingredient is 100 gram of wine split in half. The name of the ingredient is ice cube that have been suffered 500 gram. The name of the ingredient is mineral water 1 liter. The name of the ingredient is 100 ml vanilla sweetened condensed milk. The name of the ingredient is syrup vanilla. After the tools and materials have been prepared, let's move on to the manufacturing step. First, prepare a bowl. Second, put the fruit in a bowl. Third, in the different container enter the water, then mix with sweetened condensed milk, stir until evenly distributed. 4. Then pour the milk into the bowl, fill it with fruit. 5. Add shaved ice. 6. Then pour the vanilla syrup over the shaved ice. 7. Fruit ice ready for you to enjoy.
How to make cheese sprinkled toast. Ingredients: 2 eggs, 2 sachets of white SKM, 5 pieces of white bread, half teaspoon salt, grated cheese, and margarine. How to make. First, cut white bread into triangles or to taste, if set aside. Second, make a dough by mixing eggs and milk and a little salt in a container, then stir until evenly distributed. If you need margarine on Teflon that has been heated over low heat, dip the bread into the egg mixture, then put it in the heated Teflon. When the color is brown enough, then remove and serve on a plate. When finished, sprinkle using grated cheese while it's still warm. Cheese sprinkled toast ready to eat.
Hello guys, now I will tell you how to make crispy mushroom. How to make crispy mushroom is very easy and simple, and the crispy mushroom are delicious. Now let's prepare ingredients. The first is oyster mushroom. The second, 250 grams of all-purpose flour. 3 tablespoons cornstarch. And enough water. For seasoning, we need 4 cloves of garlic puree, 1 teaspoon ground pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon of powdered broth. For appendages, we need tomato sauce or chili sauce. And let's get started. First, wash the mushroom and then squeeze them until the water is gone. Second, put the spice into a container filled with mushroom. Stir until blended, then marinate for 10 minutes. Next, mix all-purpose flour and cornstarch, then divide into 2 containers. For wet flour, mix enough water and mix well. Then, put the mushroom into the wet flour until blended. Then coat with dry flour until blended. Do this until the mushroom runs out. Heat the oil, then fry the mushroom until the mushroom are golden brown. Crispy mushroom ready to be served with ketchup or chili sauce. Thanks for watching. See you.
Hello, my name is Putra Andika. Today, I will tell you how to make a fried rice mixed with eggs. The ingredients are used is 1 plate of white rice, 6 onion, 3 garlic, 2 chilies, cooking oil, an egg, road flavoring, and salt. And the tools are used is stove, frying pan, plate, spatula, spoon, knife, and small bowl. The first step is cook the onions, garlic, and chilies. Then stir the egg with salt and food flavoring. Place the pan on the stove. Pour oil into the pan, then turn on the heat. Saute the onions, garlic, and chilies until flavorful. After flavorful, reduce the heat and add the rice. Add salt and put flavoring to the fried rice. After the rice is almost cooked, pour the egg that has been stirred and mix until blended. When the rice is cooked, turn off the heat and serve it on a plate while it's still warm. That's all. I hope this recipe can help you.